Guangdong Yiyang Hose Co Limited is a leading manufacturer of PVC hoses, located in a provincial industrial park, Kaiping, Guangdong of China. With a strong focus on scientific research and manufacturing, we have become a high-tech enterprise group with an annual production capacity of 9,000 tons. Our popular brands include GUANGDONG, TONYDX, Leader, GALILEE, FONA, and Felice, offering a wide range of products such as high-pressure air hose, twin welding hose, gas hose, high-pressure spray hose, garden hose and garden hose reel set, fire hose, lay-flat water discharge hose, suction hose, braided hose, etc. We take pride in our significant influence in the PVC hose industry, with our products reaching customers across China and exported to over 40 countries and regions, including America, Europe, South America, Southeast Asia, Russia, and other Belt and Road countries. Since 2008, we have upheld the philosophy of quality as life, science and technology as the leading, user satisfaction as the purpose. Our commitment to quality is reflected in our ISO 9001:2015 certification for zero-defect production process and the delivery of top-class products. Moving forward, we remain dedicated to continuous improvement, driven by the spirit of providing superior products and services. Our development is based on the principles of pragmatism, integrity, technological innovation, and win-win cooperation to establish a unique brand image in the market.